First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come, 'cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about this cute reddish brown. It's more on the red side. Curly unit. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I haven't been wearing lace frontal wigs in a minute, so yeah, so let's just get into this video. So this unit is from Megalook Hair Company. I'm going to leave all the details down in the description box, but like I mentioned, it's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It has adjustable straps and elastic band. And it's not an adjustable elastic band, but it still does what it's supposed to do, but you know, keep it snug on the head. It has combs, a lot of combs. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and then 1 comb in the back. I don't normally use all the combs. I just took advantage of the 2 combs on the front, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band. I use bolt hold to, I'm sorry, my daughter is going through my makeup right now, but I use the bolt hold extreme to install this wig. You can use anything that you prefer, like gel, or I have lace bonding gel that's like super good from the wig dealer, but today I don't know why, I just decided to glue my wig down. But I will say the hair is getting a tad bit frizzy, not in a bad way. I would suggest using a defining cream, something to like just define your curls and make it last longer. I did prep this wig. I plucked it. I used my contour powder on the lace, and I put my concealer in the middle where the parting space is. So that's just my normal, you know, thing that I do with my wigs that are not the ready to wear and go wigs. And I believe this is a 16-inch. I'm gonna have it down in the description box, but it is very cute. The natural layers that it has, the hair is extremely soft. Yeah, the hair did not bleed when I co-washed it. It's really, it seems like it's going to be a very easy wig to keep up with in regards to maintenance. So that's really about all I got to say. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come out with everything I did, would you punish me even though I did a long time ago? If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart?